Hello, it's that time again. This week on Motor Test of the Week I will be testing another DYS Samguk series motor. It's the other shoe motor I bought, 2306, and this one is the 2500 kV version. They are still on sale for a very reasonable price. So I bought the 2800 kV as well, which I tested last week. And this week I shall be testing the 2500 kV version. Right, so let's go down and have a look. Yep, same usual pictures as the others. And yeah, hollow shaft, trying to keep it light. And it does weigh 35 grams rather. So pretty good motor. And let's have a look at the table. Okay, this is the 2500 kV table. I found the table on the 2800 kV model to be, I don't know, could I say a load of rubbish or not? I don't know. It wasn't particularly brilliant. So I'm starting to disregard a lot of these. They're it's better to get your own test results really, rather than going by these tables, because they may not always be correct. So the most power on this table is here at full throttle with a, what's it, on 4-cell with a 50/45/4, it says there. And it says it will draw 44.1 amps at 705 watts and give 1100 grams of thrust. So I'll use that as my sort of starting point for what maximum amps I should be putting through this. I should be checking the temperatures to see how it gets, how hot it gets. And in this workshop with the pusher setup I'm using, I normally would say my cut-off point for temperature is 50 degrees on a second pull. So depending on how hot it is on the first pull would determine on whether or not I think it would get to 50 degrees on the second pull. Right, so yeah, it's all ready to go on the thrust stand. So let's give this a go, see how it performs. And hopefully it's pretty good. Right, here we are, all ready to go. I should be keeping my prop choices pretty similar to the 2800 kV version, so there's a bit of a comparison, although I've got a couple of other props to try now, give them a go. The first prop I'll be trying is a DALPROP 6040, and it's just a regular sort of bendy prop. See what sort of performance that gives, and just going to be testing it on 3-cell first with a multi-star 2200 milliamp 40C 3-cell, and using a Turnigy AE 65 amp ESC. Right, so let's see what we get here. Not bad. $31 amps. 300. What was that? 368 watts. Not bad. Right, let's try the next propeller. Okay, this is a GEMFAN 6045, but it's just one of the orange plastic props. I'm on 3-cell. I mean, that worked quite well. Pretty impressed with that. 35 amps, 420 watts. Oh, that's pretty good. They are a bit bendy though. Right, let's try the next one. Okay, these are a bit different. These are another GEMFAN prop. It's another 60-45, but these are carbon reinforced nylon, and they're a bit more, they're like the little tiny 4-inch ones I've got that I've span at 60,000 RPM. And these are the same but in 60-45, and they are so unbelievably stiff, really nice and thick. So may not give more thrust, I don't know, but I could probably put a hell of a lot more power through it than the plastic ones. So this is on 3S. So probably about the same as the plastic one there, thrust wise. It may have actually drawn slightly less current. Probably because it's a bit more efficient with the way it spins, being that it's so stiff. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, this is your classic APC electric 6x4 prop, and I'm on 3 cell. You see there, quite a bit less thrust. A bit higher amp draw. Right, try the next one. Okay, this is the new kid on the block, you could say. This is the APC 6x4 gas prop. So, and this is on 3S as well. Wow. Looks like the GEMFANs beat it. That's amazing. There was less thrust, but the APC is more efficient. Well, the APC gas is more efficient. But then it is a 6x4 and the GEMFANs are a 6x4.5. That probably would draw a bit more current, but that's interesting. Right, let's try another prop. Okay, this is the TGS or KMP 6x4 sports prop on 3S. Let's see what this one gives. Same as the APC gas. A little bit higher amp draw, but still pretty damn good. Alright, I've got one more 6-inch prop to try. Okay, this is a HobbyKing 60-50 bullnose prop. I happen to know that these draw a lot of current, but they do seem to put out a good amount of thrust, so thought I'll give it a test on 3S with this motor. Interesting. 44 amps, 508 watts. So, yeah, motor's not very warm. That's my temperature gauge. Oh, it is. The windings got pretty warm there. The actual can of the motor, I think because it's got a separate base, it's not part of the motor, the base, it seems to have less heat transfer to the bell. So just feeling the motor, you can't really tell the temperature. But yeah, you saw there, that was, temperature's gone down quite a bit now, it's below 40 degrees, but you saw there, just for that quick burst, it was like 47 degrees or something. So that was a bit, I'm not sure about that. That definitely is a bit too much, I think. So right, I think I'll move on to the 4-cell tests on a different range of props. Okay, this is a DALPROP Cyclone 5045 3-bladed prop, and the 4-cell I'm just going to try it on is a Hyperion 2200 milliamp 35C 4-cell. Right, so let's see what we get here. Blimey, that's pretty good. Cool, only 36 amps. 555, 555 watts. That's pretty good. See what temperature that got up to. Like 35 degrees. Right, let's try the next one. Okay, this is a DALPROP 5045 bullnose prop. It's the bullnose ones that have a slight curved edge on it though, and it's in white. So let's see how this does on 4S. About the same, I think. Draws more current there. Okay. It was at 40 degrees then at first. Let's try another prop. Okay, this is a DALPROP 5045 2-bladed prop, bullnose prop, and on 4-cell. So let's see how this goes. Bad. 31 amps, 482 watts. Okay, right, let's try the next prop. Okay, I think I'll test this prop and probably call it quits on this one and get the general idea. I thought I'd try the APC 6x4 gas prop on 4S, as it had the lowest current draw out of all the 6-inch 2-bladed props. I thought I'll give it a try on 4S. So let's see what we got. Yes, it's on the 4S battery. This will be interesting. Let's see what happens here. Oh, camera focus. Whoa. It makes a funny noise once it goes past a certain RPM, that prop. Whoa. It said max of 700 watts on the list, but not at 47 amps. Right, let's get the temperature reading. .5 degrees there. Right, so let's give it another blast and see what temperatures it gets up to. Definitely screams, that does. Went up a little bit there. Only a little bit. So only from 4 watts. Ooh, blimey. 61 degrees there. And that was after a moment. That could have been a lot hotter than that. Ooh, that feels hot. Yeah, so that's probably too much on 4S. So I think, yeah, about 42 amps is the max on that. It's getting a bit. That got very hot. Right, I think I'll call it quits on this one. That's the where are we? Take the focus. Yeah, Samguk series 2500 kV motor. Yeah, so that's pretty good, that one, I think. So anyway, if you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe and all that rubbish if you want to see more. And I'll see you again next time on Motor Test of the Week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.